Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. Tesla up 10%. Like you guys know, following up with yesterday's video, I was invested with a little bit over $1 million. And as of right now, I sold a portion of my position. I sold about 400 shares, and I plan to sell a little bit more of it as it becomes a little bit more on the overbought side. Up $95,000 on the day, up $26,000 on the open. Friendly reminder, if you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, I was down about 52 to 55,000 on the day. I was down about 43,000 on the open. So now we recovered all of that and we're back in the green. One of the things that I want to remind you is people even message me through like Instagram and through Discord of like, Ricky, I don't understand why so many people question or hate on you on your red days or on your position with Tesla or why you bought $1 million. At the end of the day, one of the things that you guys can all see is that normally, more often than not, the loudest people tend to be the people that are the most uninformed, right? There's this saying of like, why am I going to take driving advice from someone waiting at a bus stop? And with me trading or investing with over $1 million or whatever it is that you are investing with, why would you listen to someone that is not even at your level? And it's not ever that when you do begin to do well or things do begin to go according to plan that you need to subjugate others or bring others down or make others feel bad about themselves to uplift yourself. It is so important to be optimistic in this market. The stock market is always changing, and all we can simply ever do is do our part in taking advantage of opportunities in which we see value in. And regardless if we're right or wrong, to not let other people's irrelevant opinion influence us in a negative way. And I think that's so important to each and every single one of you that are just getting started, because I want you guys to use myself as an example, someone that does pretty well. And people will still go out of their way, not on my green days. I would love to see someone say something poor when I'm up 6 figures on a day. It's like, it's not today that they're going to say anything. It's on those unfortunate days where things don't go according to plan. But guess what? It's the freaking stock market. There are always red days. And if you can't accept the red days, then you haven't earned the green days. And I just want to be that simple reminder that if people go after me with my age and my success, what makes you think that they won't target you as well? And what makes you think that their opinion even matters? So because we've been hit so hard the past couple of days, and it has been unfortunate with the past 7 to 8 days, they've been more red days than they have been green days because the market's been pulling back. But this is something that, we have to endure, right? It's the challenging things in life that follow with the greatest fulfillment. And let's be completely honest. I'm not saying all of this because I think now Tesla's going to go to the moon. I say this because I know Tesla can pull on back. It can pull on back to 550 where it was yesterday. The whole reason I'm making this video is to simply remind you and encourage you to do your part in taking advantage of opportunities that make sense to you, not to a random troll on YouTube, not to please other people, but to stay true to the reason that you wake up every single morning on top of your day job, on top of being a student, on top of all the day-to-day tasks that the average person does. You still wake up every single day and follow up with the stocks that you're invested in, and you do to the best of your ability to try to take advantage of opportunities that make the most sense to you. So even if they don't go according to plan right away and other people try to subjugate you because of that, please understand that it is in your best interest, big picture, to simply stay micro-focused in the opportunities that you see value in and those opinions in which you actually value. Not irrelevant opinions that say so much but do so little. You get what I mean? So I'm very excited to follow up with the progress of Tesla. I began to load off on a couple of my shares just so I have enough buying power that if it begins to pull back, because I know it will, that I can prepare for that. I'm not here to ever say that Tesla's going to the moon. I obviously invested a certain dollar amount because I saw value in Tesla, and today it's going according to plan, but I know it won't always be this way. So because of that, I want to make sure that I stay well balanced, and I want to encourage you that if you were unfortunately devastated when Tesla was at those 500 levels, do something today that your future self can thank you for. You can always buy more shares. You can always get back in. But if you don't want to feel the way that you felt because you felt ineffective, then that's counterproductive. You don't want to have so much money that you become an emotional mess invested in the market. You want to stay well balanced. So this is your simple reminder that you're a beast. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue to focus in the areas that you see value in. And please, please, please do your part in simply staying well balanced. So I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. And feel free to share it with anyone that you think needs a little uplifting. So we're up $103,000 on the day. Of course, that's not all profit, as I was down $55,000 on the day yesterday. But I'm very excited to follow up because, even though with the $1 million I bought and invested yesterday, people began to ask, is that all I plan to buy? No, I plan to buy twice as much once we have true confirmation of Tesla on the 180-day chart, making higher highs and higher lows. So once this thing actually begins to continuously show signs of an uptrend, I'll buy another million, and I'll probably be in with about $1.5 million to about $2 million invested in Tesla. So I'm very excited to follow up. Wish you guys nothing but the best. And like always, don't forget to stay connected. We do run an absolute free Facebook group with like-minded individuals. And if you want to move away from all these trolls and all the hype and all the noise, then click the first link in the description and join our free Tech But Solutions group. And we have a free Discord chat. And once you're ready to watch me trade live every single day, we have our Learn Plan Profit group. And this is where you get to watch me trade live every single day. And if you want to join us tomorrow for the live trading session, that's that second link down below. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. Hope that you can consider subscribing to the channel. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.